Tired of seeing profits pile up in your Pocket Option account and ready to enjoy them in real life? Let's dive right into transferring money from Pocket Option to your bank account first. Log into your Pocket Option account and navigate to the Finance section, usually found in the top right corner or on the left-hand menu depending on your device. Click on Withdrawal. You'll see a list of withdrawal methods. Select Bank Transfer or the option that corresponds to your bank account. Withdrawal. Be sure you have already verified your account. This is a crucial step for security. Now, carefully fill out the withdrawal request form. This will require your bank account details, including the account holder's name, bank name, account number, and most importantly, the SWIFT BIC code. Double-check everything for accuracy. Incorrect information can cause delays or even loss of funds. Before confirming, pay close attention to the fees associated with bank transfers. These can vary depending on your bank and location. You should also see an estimated processing time, which usually ranges from a few business days to a week. Once you're satisfied, click the Confirm button to submit your withdrawal request. You might be asked to verify the transaction via email or SMS, so keep an eye on your inbox and phone. And that's it. Your money is on its way. Be patient and check your bank account regularly if you encounter any issues. Pocket Options customer support is your best resource. They can guide you through any specific challenges you might face. Now go enjoy those profits.